Hi, this is a PCB layout and the layout is almost completed. I want to add a company logo or a logo into my layout. How can I place or how can I provide a company logo into the layout? So this is company logo, Wi-Fi. I want to add with this symbol and with this text also. For that, you have to first download the symbol into .bmp format. In case you have not downloaded in BMP format, you have downloaded in other format like PNG or other format. So you have to just convert into .bmp format. There are many converter tools are available online which can convert into any format. So just convert into .bmp format. So already I have converted. Actually, I had downloaded it in PNG format, just convert it into .bmp format. So how I'm going to create the company symbol? So just go to file option, new. Here you have to give the name Wi-Fi logo. So this is the name I'm going to give. Select format symbol and click OK. So in format symbol, only text and pictures and lines are available. So text and lines, you can say that uh, are there. So you have to select format symbol. Just click OK. This is origin point. So now just go to import and logo option. Just select the file Wi-Fi and you can select class and subclass. I'm going to select package geometry silk skin bottom. You can directly click on import or you want to change something like location, so you can select change the location. I'm using 00, so my symbol will be here somehow. And if you are using scaling factor 1, then the size will be exact same size as it is given in Wi-Fi your .bmp format or into your format into your symbol which you have downloaded. If you want to utilize, you want to create a smaller one in size, so you can use smaller size like zero point 0.1 or zero point 0.01. So I'm going to use 0.01 size. Okay, click on import. It will be generated. It will take just a few seconds. Here you can say that it is generated. Just click OK, file, save. Now I'm going to place manually. I think here Wi-Fi logo is there. Just cancel it, place manually. Let's see. Format symbol. You can see the size. Still quite bigger. So I'm going to create a smaller size. File, import, logo. Just select and package geometry silk skin bottom. Again 00, and I'm going to use 0.001, very small, and I'm going to give the name. Okay, just import it. Let's see the size. Yeah, you can see that very small. This is how you can create smaller ones. So I'm going to create new and same thing, Wi-Fi logo 2. Okay, file, import, logo. Again, select package geometry, silk skin bottom, here 0.001. Okay, just import. File, save as logo 2. Again place it. Let's see size. Format symbol logo 2. Let's see. Now the size is accurate. If you want to change the color, you can change. So I think assign color, I'm going to use this color. So this is how you can change and just save it. This is how you can add any company logo into your layout.